Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful purple eye look with some beautiful purple lips as well. And I love how this look turned out. This is my very first look using the ColourPop It's a Mood palette. And it's a cool toned look. And I am going to start bringing out some really beautiful fall looks. So to get started, I have primed my eyelids with the WetnWild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer and used Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe Strawberry Loose Powder under the eyes to catch fallout. So today the main focus in this palette is this row of purple shades. I used almost all of them, and the first shade I'm going to use is Night Call. And it's just a really beautiful, cool toned lilac shade, or well, like a dusty lilac I should say. Very beautiful. And I'm just going to be placing this in the crease using a bit of patting and using a bit of sweeping as well, just to build this shade up. And of course, all these shades, it's ColourPop, they are super pigmented and beautiful. Next shade up is Echoes, and it's a darker grapey kind of purple, still in the cool tone family, and I'm going to use that to line the crease as well. So Night Call was basically a transition shade, and this is going to be our crease shade technically. So you're going to see Night Call just kind of peek out over top of Echoes, and this is going to make for some really easy blending and a transitional fade up into the brow bone area. And the next shade up I'm taking is Had to Be. I'm liking the names of these eyeshadows as well, and it is a dark plummy shade. So I'm taking that shade on the same crease brush I have been using in the crease, and it's just a fluffy blending brush, but on the side of that is where I'm placing that shade. And I'm just going to pat that in the outer corner and kind of just a little bit blending as we go here. So you're going to see me pick up more shade, add it in there, buff them more together, and just continue to work on blending. And I'll continue to do this until I get the shades built up where I'm happy. So this is NYX Pigment Primer, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that and place it on the lid. Taking Thunder, and this is such a beautiful shade. I don't even know how to really describe this shade. It's kind of like how it looks on the lid is like a rosy gold with this purpley green shift to it. It's marvelous. It's absolutely stunning. Such a beautiful shade. And I place that with my finger on the lid. Next, I'm going to be taking Bonafide. I'm going to use that as the brow bone highlight. So I'm just placing that on the brow bone, and I'm going to start blending that down into the crease shade, well, the transition shade that we used at the very beginning. Look how quickly and easily they blended together. ColourPop eyeshadows are amazing. And I'm going to take the darkest purple that I use, and I'm using that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Love Song from the eyeshadow palette, and I am just going to place that in my inner corner. It's absolutely stunning. Very beautiful. I love how this look came together. I'm just loving purples. And these gel eyeliners are from LaColors, and the purple one is called Enchanted, and the black is Midnight Black. So I found those for $2 each at the Dollar General, and they are amazing. So for eyeliner, this is just the L'Oreal eyeliner, and I'm using the Milk Kush Mascara. Doing a couple coats of that. And the lips is from Maybelline. It's one of their Super Stay Ink lipsticks, and Visionary. Very beautiful. I thought they paired together very nicely. You could do a nude lip or whatever you personally choose. But this is the finished look. I'm loving these purple eyes. They make my green eyes pop so loudly. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and we'll try the look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more ColourPop It's a Mood looks. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, and also check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. And thank you so much for watching.